So, you want to unlock the essence of minimalist fashion? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of basic wardrobe essentials that will revolutionize your style game. Picture this: a closet filled with timeless pieces that form the foundation of a versatile and stylish wardrobe. We're talking about must-have items like a crisp white t-shirt, a sleek black blazer, and those trusty dark jeans that go with everything. And let's not forget the little black dress, a true wardrobe hero that can take you from day to night effortlessly. Pair it with a neutral sweater for a cozy yet chic look, or layer it with a classic white button-down shirt for a touch of sophistication. When it comes to bottoms, black pants are a must-have for any minimalist wardrobe, along with a denim jacket and a versatile skirt that can be dressed up or down with ease. And for those days when comfort is key, slip into a pair of comfortable flats or simple sneakers that exude effortless style. As the weather cools down, a neutral coat is essential for staying warm while maintaining a polished look. And let's not forget about accessories. A basic tote bag, a classic watch, a versatile scarf, and minimalist jewelry are the perfect finishing touches to elevate any outfit. Complete your minimalist look with a pair of black boots, quality underwear for a comfortable foundation, classic sunglasses to shield your eyes in style, a sleek leather belt to cinch your waist, and you're all set to conquer the world with your understated yet chic fashion sense. Embrace the simplicity and elegance of minimalist fashion with these essential pieces that will not only streamline your wardrobe, but also elevate your style to new heights. So, go ahead, declutter your closet, invest in quality pieces, and let your minimalist journey begin.